going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now back to the video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am reviewing Inno Supps Innospresso. I still have not looked up. I mentioned this many times in this video, how I needed to look up how this is pronounced. And I still haven't looked it up, but we're doing this video anyway. Metabolism boosting coffee. Yeah, so I am not drinking it here. That might say a lot about the products from the beginning, but let's just hop right into this review. So this company reached out to me and asked if they could send me some of their product, and they do like supplements, pills, protein powders, everything like that. I'm not sure if this product is new or not, but when I spoke to my sister, who is very much into this powders supplement world, she said it was new. I have tried it now for 5 days. I started on Sunday, actually I guess a whole week, because today is Saturday. So I tried it on Sunday. Today is Saturday. I think I received it in the mail, and then I tried it the very next day. So this is my review, and I'm going to be showing you clips of basically the week of me trying it. Hope you guys enjoy this review. I'd like to also take a moment to say please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more reviews like this. If you don't know, my channel is all about healthy intentional living, and I am really getting into the healthy side of intentional living. I've been living the intentional side, at least in my terms. I have been being intentional about my time, my space, the things that I do, the people I bring into my life. So being just intentional about my life. And now I'm really delving into the health side. I've always been a very health conscious person and eating very healthy, but I'm just really trying to also lose weight. I really have to focus on eating and working out and just taking care of my body from the inside out. So this company reaching out to me really came at the right time. So in the box, it included the package of the Innospresso, whatever it's called, the package of the metabolism boosting coffee powder, and also in the package they gave me this little Volcarn. I'm terrible with pronouncing things, but it is a potent thermogenic keratin. I don't know much about keratin. Like I said, I really don't take supplements and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do some research before I try this. And it also came with a frother, like a little frother with their label on it, with their logo on it. So like I said, this is a metabolism boosting coffee, and it has tons of benefits that it claims that it gives you. So I'm just going to read through the back of this little card. And what they did is they just compared it to compared it to coffee, like what coffee does for you. So this supplement or this powder is supposed to boost immunity and metabolism, amplifies fat burning, helps block the absorbance of carbs, boosts energy production, provides smooth and clean energy, improves mental and physical endurance. It has more caffeine than a normal cup of coffee. It has less calories than a normal cup of coffee, and it's supposed to be lower in price per serving. So like they're comparing it to a normal cup of coffee costing $3.95, and then this cup of coffee is $1.50. So compared to it's supposed to be like an 8-ounce serving, 6 to 8 ounces. So on the actual container it says mix 1 scoop with 6 to 8 ounces of your preferred liquid, and then drink 15 to 13 minutes before working out or before training. So one thing that kind of threw me off is I didn't know it was a pre-workout. Like it doesn't really say it's a pre-workout. It doesn't really say, like, you know, all the research that I did, like when I looked into it and when I looked into other people taking it, it doesn't say like it's only supposed to be taken before training. Like I looked in other people's reviews, and some of them did just drink it like as their coffee, and then some of them do drink it before training. So I was like, okay, just because of the instructions on the bottle or the directions on the bottle, it makes it sound like it's a pre-workout, which is something that I normally don't take, but I do work out first thing in the morning. I do a fasted workout. Also, previously was doing intermittent fasting, or trying out intermittent fasting, seeing how I felt about it and seeing how my body felt about it. So I had a schedule of how I got up in the morning, worked out, I wouldn't start eating until noon, and then that was my my whole fasting schedule. So that kind of threw me off, like I said, because I just wasn't expecting it to be something that I had to drink before I worked out. But after doing research and reading it, I was like, okay, so maybe I can try this as a pre-workout. And on the first day, I didn't work out. It was my rest day. So I didn't work out before I drank it. I just drank it right before my day began. All right, guys, today's day one of drinking this drink. I don't take supplements usually. This company sent me this, and it's like a coffee substitute. It smells really good. It tastes disgusting. This is how far I got. There's literally like an ounce left, maybe, of the 7 ounces, and I literally feel like every time I go to drink it, I'm gonna vomit. And I don't know, okay, I don't know if it's just me, I don't know, and also okay, so I've been intermittent fasting for like a month now, okay, so my body's like pretty acclimated to it, I feel like it is, so I usually don't eat or drink anything with calories until afternoon, after 12 o'clock p.m., and in the morning I usually have tea, like caffeinated tea with stevia, so it's all 0 calorie, all that. So I usually just have that. So today, I'm trying this for 7 days, maybe just 5 days, who knows. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, because this is not good. It's not good. I'm just being honest. This is from someone, like I said, I don't take supplements, I don't take pre-workouts, I don't do any of that stuff, and this is disgusting. I can't even, it smells so good, but then you go to drink it and it has like this medicated taste to it, and it's like taking all of your vitamins and crushing them up into a powder form and then putting them in there. Like, you can clearly taste all of the added vitamin stuff, and it's bitter and it's not good. And I love coffee. I don't know if I'm gonna make it 5 days, is what I'm saying. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Today I added just water with it, and it was like warm water or hot water. Tomorrow I'm gonna try coffee with it, see how it goes, see if I can make it through the whole thing. Like, literally, I was like, okay, Nicole, you could make it. You could do this. Couldn't chug. I kept drinking, and like I said, I just felt more like I was gonna get sick. So I was like, okay, maybe just stop. But I'm just super nervous about continuing on at this, but they sent it to me for me to try, right? They wanted an honest opinion. I'm going to give you an honest opinion. If you don't take supplements, I feel like it's disgusting. I'm going to give some to my sister to try. She takes supplements regularly. Like, she, works out regularly. She takes all the things, pre-workouts and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to give her to try and see how she likes the taste. Because all the reviews say it tastes good, but I don't know if it's from people who constantly take this stuff or constantly drink this stuff. I don't know. I'm also going to try it at different times of the day, just because, like I said, I'm usually intermittent fasting. So today I tried it, and before just my regular day. Today I tried it not working out. Tomorrow I'm going to try it before I work out. And then one day I'm going to try it in the middle of the day, while I'm at work or something like that. And we'll see how it goes. As you can see, my first day wasn't the best experience. I continued on drinking it. The next day, I drank it right before my workout. However, I work out at 5 in the morning. I get up at 5, I start working out by 5:15. So I had to really adjust my time, because it said 15 to 30 minutes before working out. Obviously, I went for the 15-minute one just because it's already 5 in the morning. It's already, I'm getting up a little bit earlier, and I'm not perfect at getting up at 5 in the morning. Sometimes it's 5:10, sometimes it's 5:15. So I'm still kind of struggling some days, especially if I don't get the right amount of sleep. So it was kind of a struggle to get up and then drink it and then wait 15 minutes and then work out and still get a good workout. It was interesting, and I recorded my reaction as well to that day when I got up and I drank it before I worked out. So today is the 3rd day of me drinking the Innospresso. I think I'm saying that right. I gotta look up how to say it. I don't know how to say this stuff, but I know it's called Innospresso. So I did speak to my sister, and she tried it. I like the flavor of coffee. She doesn't. She tasted it. She agreed it was nasty. Now, she also said, but she doesn't like the flavor of coffee, so she felt like it being nasty, it was partially that, and partially, and then she was like, but she can taste that medicated taste that I kept saying, like, it's super prominent. It's like, she was like, okay, she can understand what I'm saying when I say that. To me, I'm a taste person. I have a hard time like gulping and like drinking something without tasting it. So because of that, like, taste is super important to me. As far as effectiveness, it's going pretty well. I think it's going pretty good. I definitely feel energized when I use it. I can feel the difference. Like, I prefer drinking it before a workout versus just drinking it normally. You know, it's going okay. I feel like I like it. But I just don't know if it's like sustainable for me. Like, if I can keep doing it, just because it's so nasty. Today I tried to drink it not cold, but like room temperature water. Yeah, I tried to drink room temperature water with it. I did 6 ounces straight. I didn't even do no extra. 6 ounces, and I tried to chug it, and it was still disgusting. It wasn't as bad. I did put 3 packets of stevia in it though. This time, yesterday I did 2 packets. Today I upped it to 3 because I was like, I can't do it. It's just not good. Oh my god, it's just not good. So far, it's okay. You know, I don't know if pre-workouts are for me, or if it's just this one, but it's not yummy. And then I also tried it on a day where I drank it in the middle of the day, like as my first meal of the day, breaking my fast type situation. Actually, one day I did not take it at all, which was Thursday of this week, and I felt like crap that day. That day I literally had to leave work early. Like, I did not feel good that day. And I don't know if it was that. I don't know if it was the fact that I didn't have it first thing in the morning and it was throwing off my body, which kind of scares me, just because I literally was only taking it for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days I took it. And then Thursday is the day that I did take it. So I was just like, dang, like, it's really affecting me. But I don't know. And it also could just be because I'm new to this supplement life. So then Friday, which was actually yesterday, I had some oat milk like in my coffee. So I had like a regular cup of coffee, I had oat milk, and I had a flavor shot in my coffee. So flavor wise, it still tasted like medicine. Like, it still had that very strong medicine-y, vitamin-y taste to it, and I just don't like that. I'm not a fan. As far as how it made me feel, I felt like, my friend calls it, my friend who also takes pre-workouts and vitamins and supplements all the time, she calls it that tingly feeling. So it's not really the jitters, but it does feel like something's happening on the inside. Okay, so yeah, it just gave me like this kind of weird feeling. I thought maybe it was because I hadn't eaten. I told my sister it felt like I was vibrating from the inside out. Like, that's how it felt to me. So I ate like a little snack and it got better. And then when I went to eat lunch, I feel like I could not eat fully. Like, I couldn't like enjoy my food. I just felt really weird. And then like it kind of like went downhill from there. So it like the feeling decreased as the day went on, but I definitely felt a little strange, a little like off sort of. So yeah, that was pretty much my experience. Overall, I feel like the product does what it says it does. This product made me sweat like crazy. It made me sweat like crazy. Like, when I took it in the morning before I worked out, I would be drenched in sweat, and then I would continue to sweat for like an hour after my workout, which was actually kind of annoying, but at the same time, like, I knew because of that I was burning fat. Also, within this week, I lost 2 full pounds in a week. Like, I feel like that's a lot. It is a lot, but I lost 2 pounds within a week. Now, I've been consistently working out for a month, so I'm past the stage where I'm like losing water weight. Like, I'm losing weight, right? So like, to lose 2 pounds in a week, definitely stellar. However, the taste is disgusting. Like, I really have a hard time getting past it. I had to add stevia to it the first couple days, and then the last day when I had it with regular sugar, and you could still taste that taste, like that medicated taste in the background, and I just was not a fan. It was like, it's like a 3 out of 10 for me, and I'm a taste person. Like, I have to taste the things that I'm drinking. Like, it's really hard for me to like gulp and like just drink something down without drinking it, like, and that's anything. However, taking it before my workout, I definitely felt the improvement. I definitely had more energy during my workout. I could feel myself pushing myself more through my workout, and then at the end of my workout I still felt energized. Throughout my whole day I felt energized. I didn't get that drag at the end of the day. Also, not like a regular drinker of pre-workouts and a regular drinker of energy drinks. I'm really not that type. So it's not coming from someone who constantly drinks this stuff, or coming from someone who constantly is having supplements or something like that. It's really just coming from a newbie. Bottom line, would I recommend this product? I would recommend it, but it would definitely come with the disclaimer that it doesn't taste good, and that you may need stevia to add to it, or you may need to add it to some really good coffee to get it down. I definitely will say that, but I don't know if I'm going to continue to finish it. My mom really likes it, and my sister likes it too, so they may finish it. But it actually is going to make me try to try some other pre-workouts. My sister said that they have a pill that's really good, so I might try that. So because of this experience, I'm definitely going to look into more of their products. So overall, that is my review. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying out some other things, other pre-workouts, other protein drink, all the good stuff, because like I said, I'm really getting into living a healthy lifestyle, and I want to slim down, get more lean. And I know supplements, you know, can be good in some ways to help you with that, but the sustainability factor is what kind of holds me back. So I'm definitely going to do some research, check out these items, check out taking supplements period, to see if it is something that is promising and something that I could look forward to. I'm feeling okay about this product. Like I said, I would recommend it. I would just let you know it doesn't taste good. It does not taste good. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can get notified when I make new videos. And I'll also make other healthy and intentional living videos that I will post here on the screen. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.